Alright, what's up everybody? Hello, good afternoon, evening, morning, whenever you look at this video. uh, this video is a review or a disassembly of this Bluetooth speaker that I bought last week after work. Originally it was $30, and once I seen it, I want to take it apart, see what was on the inside of it. Also, first I looked for a video to see if anybody, did one, and they haven't. I've just seen the reviews on it and them hooking it up. But when I took it loose myself, I found out that it was not worth $30 to me. For some of you that take Bluetooth speakers loose, tinker, take things apart to see what's on the inside, this is the amplifier board for it. I looked these two chips. Ooh, my hands are rusty. Oh well. I looked these two chips up, and those are the amplifier chips. On the back, you have 3 capacitors. I don't know what that one is for, but if anybody know, let me know. I know it's one here and here, and that's the power lead. I'm gonna leave this just like it is. This is the battery for it, which you ain't gonna really get a long playtime. I plan to fix that. You got 2 passive radiators. Yeah, I know you see that up there. I'll get back to that in a moment. And those over there too. 2 passive radiators. This one I accidentally split or cracked, so I have to repair that with that over there. The 2 outer chrome rings. This is the speaker chamber, I'll say. Let me lift it up for y'all. So the middle, that's where the battery was. So I'm gonna replace the battery with something else, something bigger, something longer maybe. These are the speakers for it. I see some people who put, I'll say, but 10-watt speakers in them, and 10-watt or 15-watt amplifier off Amazon or eBay, and it sounds good and looks good. These here, I want to say they are 3-watt speakers. What I'm gonna do with all of these, far as the battery, I may put this one in. It's a cell phone battery, but I don't think this one will fit in there. So another idea I had, move the stuff over. These batteries came from Five Below. Come on, focus. Hold on, y'all. So battery capacity 2600 milliamp hours. I want to say I'm gonna hook this one. This is how I look on the inside. Yeah. So I want to say I think I might take both of these loose and see if they'll fit in there. Combine both of these together for a good, long-lasting battery, I'll say. And put them in there. How I'm gonna do that and boost up the volume, these little amplifiers over here. This one I hooked up as a test, but I think the model number is a PAM8610. This one didn't go so good, but that take 12 volts. These batteries are 3 volts. If I'm wrong, somebody correct me. What I have over here are boost buck converters. And what these little guys do, see, these I have the USB version, but what I'm going to do is just solder me 2 wires on the end. I'm trying to get this to focus in. Okay, hold on. These are boost buck converters. You put 3 volts in, hook one of these to it, and I want to say you turn that, and then you can go from, I think, 5 to 20 something volts. So you can 24 and so on. Yeah, I'm just trying to hurry up and get this done because I really want to put this together and finish it and seal it up with that E6000 sealant right there and see how it sounds. But yeah, let me hurry up. I know I'm all over the place. I gotta figure out a way, which I'm gonna look up some more tutorials and things, how to wire, which I already know how. I gotta wire this to this and this to that to give it the 12 volts. And then this here is actually a 15-watt amplifier. And I think when I get that running, I might think about putting me a potentiometer on it, because I think I might have to. If I use it like it is, it may give me just a straight 15 watts. But if I put a potentiometer on it, some little volume knob in my little toolkit over there, I know good and well I can control the volume 2 ways. I like it. I don't know. Just want to show you guys that. Yeah, E6000 glue. I've been seeing a lot of people use these to reseal their Bluetooth speakers that they've done, and redone over and added these little amplifiers. I got all kind of, batteries and whatnot. I don't think this was worth $30 to me, but after I finish with all of this, we'll see how I go. Let's see if it's worth $30 or more, or if it'll sound better than one of the JBLs or one of the Beats speakers, or But yeah, I got a lot of these. They want Amazon for, like, I don't know, cheap, 7 or 8 for $10. I got both kinds. But okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and upload this video here, and look at this. That don't make sense. See, speaker power 5 watt times 2. So I'm about to do that over here. Got my soldering iron ready, solder paste, cutters, and yeah, you see my little Xbox set up over there because I'm playing music and I got Spotify going. Oh yeah, check out my Eminem cut. So I guess that's it, guys. See y'all later.